Hey, back today with the original Granite Bracket, showing you how to easily install your sidewall bracket. Now, this is going to support 320 pounds per bracket. Super simple to install, and here's why you would need this bracket. Maybe you have a pass-through window that you want to countertop, or maybe you have something with a vanity where you can't go above because of pipes or electrical. That is where this bracket comes into play. Let me show you how simple it is to install. All right, let's just say this line right here is where the pass-through window or whatever it might be. Maybe you got some electrical, like I said, above it, and you can't have a full free hanging bracket. And I'm just gonna put this here. Now, if you need a little bit of leeway of this way, these also come in left or right, whatever you need, whatever's easiest for your job. If you're not sure, please, please, please feel free to reach out. We'll help you out. Now, it's super simple. Get it level and install. See, there you go. It's honestly just that simple. Whether you're a contractor and you're using thousands of these on your project, or you just need a few for your home or your office or your barn, garage, whatever it might be, you can make it happen. Make sure if you have any questions, whether you need a left or a right, reach out to us. We'll help you with that as well. The greatest question we get all the time is, how strong are these? Can these support what I need? Well, listen to me. I guarantee you it will support whatever. Maybe you just want to do this and you're like, God, I just want to do that. Maybe you just want to sit. Maybe you need a new seat. I don't know what it might be. Make sure you order with the originals, the original Granite Bracket with your side wall for your pass-through window, your vanity, whatever it might be. Talk to you soon.